Welcome to the video, guys. Today we are doing quite a big bit of preventive maintenance. It's a little part, but it's a big thing. It is the fuel pump cam follower tappet. Now, I've been told to do this by a lot of people who know their stuff. I've seen a lot of people on the forums. Even low mileage cars, these can go wrong. When I was getting the car mapped at Laird, they showed me a couple, and you know, they were really destroyed. Been meaning to do it for a while. The car's in the high 60,000 miles. It's not had a great life before I owned it, so it's probably never been changed. So today we might get a big shock. Hopefully we've caught it in time, and something I've been meaning to do for a while. Let's get stuck into it. So this is where it lives in here. Take your engine cover off, and there is your high pressure fuel pump there. So take coil packs out, wire them out the way, coil pack cover thing, whip that out, whip the foam underneath it out. Then you've got your lines, high pressure, low pressure, take them off, and 2 Torx bolts. Lift the fuel pump, check the seal, take your cam bucket out. Going to start with the breather, get this took off, and then we'll get into the coil packs. Anybody who wants to get white hoses, I would advise against it. This was lovely pearly white, and look at it, it's all yellow with the heat. Right, coil packs now. Okay. Loom out the way. So 6 coil pack cover bolts, I believe, could be more, not sure. And there we go, guys. Coil pack cover thing out. Oh, I don't even have the foam. There's your good old rocker cover and fuel injection. So just these 2 Torx bolts here and here. And these 2 lines, and that's it. Might get a wee bit of fuel here, just how it is. Oh. Wee bit of fuel, but not too bad. Then get the one to the other side as well. And then just our 2 T45s here. And they're not actually that tight, nothing's really that tight on this job, thankfully. Bugger to get in there. There we go. Perfect. We connect that. There we go. Right, that should be us now able to just lift her out, I believe. There we go. Okay, we're out. Okay, so we can see down inside, there is the bucket in there. I'll just take it out and we'll get a wee look at it. Wearing my wee magnet, being as careful as I can, even though this is the old one that's coming out. There we go, got it. Now there's your first look. You can see the middle bit of wear on the right is obviously the old one. So that, basically, if you leave it, it just gets worn all the way down, and bang. The side have also got some wear on them, as you can see. Very interesting. And this is your high pressure fuel pump. What a beautiful bit of kit that is. I'm actually getting a bit of fuel in my hands right now, but it's 99, so you know, it's the good stuff. Very cool. Doesn't it look? Seal looks good. Seal is totally immaculate. No wear. Looks good. So I'm just going to throw this back in. You'll put your cam bucket. That goes on there like that, and this whole thing sits upside down, and the cam lobe will activate it, as far as I'm aware. Probably a very basic description, but that's how it goes. You can actually see the cam lobe down in there, and it looks great. So, yeah, nice. I will maybe give the surfaces a wee clean, but I need to be very careful. Actually, maybe just leave them, to be honest, because... No, I won't. I'll give them a wee clean. So, I'm just going to drop the bucket in with my wee magnet, just like we did before. And then there we go, we're in. What a beautiful fit. Oh, I love cars. Just something about that, absolutely gorgeous. Right, let's try and not spill any fuel, but I'm sure that'll be very tough. There we go. Okay, watch the wee bits of paper. And I'll just nip these up. wee bit at a time each, so it sits evenly. We don't want to ruin that lovely wee seal that we've got. Okie doke, all tightened down, sitting nice and flush. You can get the connector back in. Now, there we go. Now for the lines, I'll just tighten them by hand first. Remember, these all went very tight, so I'll just give them a wee nip up. Right, sorted. Right, I'm just going to put the coil pack cover and coil pack's not that back in. Stick you on a time lapse. We'll do the first start. These engines are tappy, but you know, we might hear something, we might know. So, you know, time lapse. And that's us, guys. She's all back together. All we need to do now is start it, have a wee listen, and then we'll see. Should be good though, because the other one was, you know, wasn't really that bad, was it? But I'm still glad we've changed it. I don't know how it's coming up on the mic, guys. It did struggle a little bit to start up, but it's probably because we took the fuel out the lines, remember? So it's probably just taking a wee tiny bit of time. In my opinion, it just sounds the exact same. Maybe if you were arguing with it, that you could say that it's a bit less harsh tap, but you know, these are tappy engines, as I've said about a million times. Right guys, that's us done. It's sounding beautiful, so I don't really know if there's any difference. I don't think there is. They're naturally tappy anyway, but aye, big peace of mind, because like I said, the ones that I saw at Laird were just concave right through. I wonder if I can find a picture. Probably not, but if I can, I'll put it in. It's just totally, you know, and then once that happens, you're done for. I did really enjoyed working on the engine today, and nice access, isn't it? Really, I mean, just whip a couple of covers off, straight in there. So aye, I've also had a couple of ideas for the engine bay. Aye, a couple of 3 things I've got in my head. Next week's video, no idea what it is. I have a couple of stuff in the bank, but I don't know what card I'm going to play, put it that way. Also, guys, the 3 winners from the giveaway, I've only gave away one. Only one of these I've got in contact, that's DJ Piles. I still need to hear from Rodzer and Scott Menzies. So I'll put their names here and I'll put it in the comments as well. Guys, you have won, please get in touch via email or Instagram so I can get your plaque sent out to you. Rodzer, I know you're from Poland. I don't mind, I'll pay the shipping to Poland, so don't worry about that. Just please get in touch. So, aye. All you guys, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it today. Bit of a fun one, bit of, you know, I don't know, investigative one, shall we say. And aye, I hope to see every single one of these next Sunday, 5 PM for whatever it is. See you there, guys.